In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a one-person business model with minimal risk and overhead and how it can make you over $10,000 per month in 2025 and even in the years to come. This model is built around high profit margins, so it's scalable because it has very low costs. It's simple, it's practical, and it's the best way to make serious money online with practically no investment. So if you're somebody who wants to leverage their knowledge or skills to make money online, then this video is exactly what you need. And no, to make this work, you don't need a big audience, a team, a crazy budget for paid ads, or to be famous. My name is Fred, and I grew up in a lower middle class family. My parents are nurses and we often lacked money, which is why I always had the drive to work extremely hard and to become financially free. And after failing countless times and trying every business model online and listening to all of the bad advice given by the big gurus, I finally cracked the code. And no, I don't have a Rolex or a Ferrari, and I also don't live in Dubai, but I've been able to create my dream life and reach all of my goals so far. So to thank you for being with me on this journey, when we hit 30,000 subs, I'm going to be giving you away $2,000. All you need to do is to watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share it with a friend to push it in the algorithm. The first thing you need to do is to create your offer. This is by far the most critical step in the entire process because it's the foundation. Without it, you can't move on to the next steps. Now, you can't just sell anything. You need to sell a high-ticket consulting offer, meaning a high-ticket service or coaching offer that solves a painful problem for your ideal customers. Now, what do I mean by high-ticket? A high-ticket offer is an offer priced between $1,000 to $10,000, and it can be even more expensive. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an expert, why would people pay me that much? But here is the thing, plenty of people are willing to pay premium prices for high-ticket coaching as long as it can help them do any of the following: save time, make more money, or solve painful problems. The key here is that your offer needs to deliver tangible results to help your customers to get what they want. They are in their current situation, point A, and they want to go to point B. Your offer is the vehicle helping them to bridge that gap. If you can help somebody to avoid a divorce, that is a very powerful offer. It's worth an infinite amount of money. If you can help a business to 10x their income, same thing, it's worth a lot of money. If you can help somebody who's overweight, they've been dealing with this problem for 10 years to finally lose the 20, 30, 50 pounds they've been wanting to lose forever, again, this is priceless. And that's why we charge high ticket prices, because the more value you provide for someone, the higher the price tag can be, because money is simply an exchange of value. If it's more expensive, then it should bring more value than something which is less expensive. And here the value that we bring to people is helping them to solve the painful problems that literally ruin their lives. So for example, back in 2022, I originally started off with a done-for-you service to help entrepreneurs to book more meetings with their ideal customers. And then I transitioned into coaching directly, so helping business owners and people who wanted to start a business to start or grow a successful consulting business. But to give you other examples, some of my customers, they help busy executives to get in shape. Some of my other customers, they provide lead generation services or even mindset coaching. You can really sell anything in any niche as long as you're solving a painful problem for people. Because what I really want you to understand is that people pay for results. If your offer is a vague service like business coaching, of course it's not going to sell. Nobody cares about that. But if you can say something like, I help entrepreneurs to scale to $10,000 to $50,000 per month with proven systems when it comes to lead generation, for example, I help them to book more meetings, then that is a much sexier offer because you're providing clarity. You're telling people exactly what they're gonna get. So take your time to clearly define your offer. What transformation are you providing for people? What will your customers walk away with? You want to get crystal clear on this before moving on to the next step. Now, to help you, I've recorded a free video training in which I share with you the simple 3-step process I've been using to make upwards of $1,200 per day with 95% profit margins in my business. I will leave the link in the description below, but you can also directly apply to book a call with me and we'll come up with a customized game plan for you to hit $10,000 per month. Now, when you have your offer in place, the step that comes after that is getting attention. You need to make people aware that you exist, that you have something to sell. And today, the easiest way to do this is through social media content. So if you don't already have a strong community on platforms like YouTube, even Twitter, even TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, now is the time to get started. But it's not just about posting random content, throwing spaghetti against the wall, and hoping that something will eventually stick. Hope is not a strategy. It's a recipe for failure and for disaster. It's about creating valuable content that attracts the right type of people. You don't need to have hundreds of thousands of followers to be able to get customers. I'm telling you this for a fact. I would much rather have a small engaged audience of people who want what I have to offer than to get 500,000 views or 1 million views from people who were never going to buy my services anyway. Because vanity metrics do not pay for your rent, your travels, and for gifts for the people that you love. Only money does that. So the key is to get your message in front of the right people. So on social media, start posting targeted content in relation to the problems that people are facing in your niche. If you can find videos in your niche that get millions of views on YouTube or on other social media platforms, this is a good sign. It means it's a big and a broad market. It means there is a demand for what you have to offer. If you see nobody selling the same thing, you are in trouble. Competition is a sign people want what you have to offer. Now in your videos, you can share tips, success stories, step-by-step how-tos, guides, personal stories. That's literally what content is. The goal is to make people trust you and to show that you know what you're talking about. And you also want to engage with your audience, respond to their comments, to their DMs, start real conversations in the DMs with people. For example, on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you can directly have conversations with your followers in the DMs. YouTube doesn't allow for that, unfortunately. But don't just post and hope that people come to you. As much as possible, start real, genuine conversations with your prospects. But social media isn't the only way to get attention. In fact, right now, there is something very powerful at your disposal and it's free. It's your own network. Reach out to the people that you know. Let them know what you're doing and ask them if they know anybody who could benefit from your coaching or your services. You might honestly be shocked to see that in your own network, you had a few potential customers just waiting around for you to discover them. And sometimes the best customers come directly from referrals, especially when you're just getting started. Now, don't solely rely on referrals to grow your business because that's hoping. And remember, hope is not a strategy, but referrals can be amazing because they give you free business. In addition to social media content, you can also directly start reaching out to people, especially if you are in the B2B market, meaning you help businesses with a service. So if you don't have an email list yet, start building one. If you're not reaching out to potential customers on LinkedIn, start doing it. But remember, always provide value first. Give and give and give before you even ask to take. So the goal with all of these methods is to get as much attention as possible from people in your market, people who fit the ideal customer avatar. And the more attention you get, the higher your chances of getting more customers. Nowadays, attention is the new currency. If you understand that, you'll become so rich, it's not even funny. Now, the third step is to create a value video for your ideal customers. Now, this is a game changer because it's one of the most powerful ways to convert leads, complete strangers, into paying customers because people buy from those that they trust. And that's exactly why influencer marketing is so goddamn powerful. And the fastest way to build trust is actually by giving away free value. What I recommend is creating a simple video that shows your expertise, preferably if you can back up your claims, it's even better, and just show people how you can help. Share as much free value as you can. Give away all the information for free. You're selling the implementation, not the information. For example, let's say you help businesses to get more leads. You could create a video explaining how they can double their income by utilizing email marketing to get more customers at zero extra cost. So this type of content attracts the right people who are serious about working with you and who want to move to the next level. Now, while you're giving away a lot of free value in these videos, do not forget to utilize call to actions. Tell people if you want to learn more, watch the free training, click the link in the description, or book a call. Because if you never tell people, sure, some people will go and check themselves, but a lot of people won't, and you would be missing out on dozens of potential customers just like that. So preferably, you want to have a call to action around the middle of your video and then at the very end. Always remind people if they want to take the next step, they can do it. And that's why social media content is extremely powerful. Because when you keep giving people valuable tips, valuable information for completely free, then they think, oh my god, the paid stuff must be so good. And then people are a lot more likely to actually go ahead and to take the next step to start working with you. Now, step number 4, pricing. This is where a lot of people get stuck. They try to charge $500 for their consulting services because they're afraid that nobody would buy if they make it more expensive. But here is the truth. When you create a high ticket offer, you position yourself as the expert, as the go-to person in your niche, and people expect to pay far more for expert guidance. Just think about it this way. Would you rather pay $500 for somebody who's just getting started or $2,000 to work with somebody who's been doing this for a decade? The person who's charging more is seen as more valuable simply because they're positioning themselves as a premium expert. So if you're serious about building a high ticket consulting business that makes you $10,000 per month and even more, you need to think about pricing differently because your time is valuable and the results you deliver are worth a premium price. Now, what should your pricing look like? As a beginner, it's typically best to keep your offers between $1,000 to $3,000. Then as you get more results, you get case studies, testimonials, and you get better at doing what you do in general, you can increase your prices. And some offers sell for more than $10,000, monthly recurring. The next step is the sales call. This is the key to convert leads into paying customers. Now you might be thinking, oh, but I don't want to do sales calls. But here is the thing. The reason we do sales calls, as opposed to simply redirecting people to a sales page with a button to buy, is because on a sales page with a button to buy, only 0.2% of visitors actually turn into customers. Whereas when you hop on a sales call with someone, 20 to 30% of people become paying customers on average. This is 100x in terms of a difference. You convert 100x more more people through a sales call. How come it works so much better? Because a call is personal. It's better at showing people the value of what you have to offer. On a call, you're able to really understand the person that you're talking to make them see how painful the problems are, and to really show the value of your offer and how life-changing it is. And you don't have to be super salesy or pushy on the call. If anything, it's the opposite. All you need is to focus on listening to the person, understanding their problems and their needs, and positioning your offer as the vehicle that can help them to bridge the gap between where they are now and where they want to be. Your job is simply to help them to make a decision that will significantly improve the quality of their life. And if they're genuinely a good fit for what you have to offer, you've been able to show them the value clearly, they won't buy. But if they don't, it's okay. Move on to another prospect. They won't keep struggling with the same problem for months, maybe even years, but you on the other hand, you learn very valuable insights on the psychology of your market and you practice your sales ability. You always win. Now finally, we need to talk about service delivery, because once somebody signs up for your consulting service or coaching, it's time to help them to get results. Because remember, you're selling results, a transformation, not just a service. No one cares about that. So the beauty of a one-person, high-ticket consulting business is that you can deliver the service or the coaching offer in a very personalized way, in a very human way. You can offer one-on-one coaching or group coaching with an online training program, customized action plans, and you don't need a massive team or fancy systems to get results for your customers. And as you get better results for people, always collect testimonials and case studies. This will make the selling process easier. So if you follow all of these steps, creating your offer, attracting the right type of customers, pricing your offer the right way, conducting sales meetings, and delivering results to your customers, you will make way more than 10K per month. And the best part is you can do it all without a team. And that way you can keep overhead low and maximize profit margins. Now, if you're ready to take action and to build or to grow your own high-ticket consulting business, I'd love to help you out. So for that, I invite you to check out the free resources in the description below, but you can also directly apply to book a call with me and I'll see if I can help you. Together, we'll come up with a personalized game plan for you to reach $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. Now, with that being said, I will be waiting for you on the other side.